Hi, I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jenifer.
And we are going to make mini churros.
You're gonna need a cup of sugar,
1 teaspoon of cinnamon,
2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder,
2 cups of water,
half cup of butter,
2 cups of edible oil, 1 pastry bag.
And if you want, you can add some chocolate or condensed milk.
First, you have to pour 1/2 of sugar and cinnamon and mix it all together.
Then you're gonna have to add the other half of sugar and the 2 cups of flour and the teaspoon of baking powder. You have to put it in a high heat, and then you have to add the 2 cups of water and then the half cup of butter, and then wait to dissolve it. Then you have to add the mix of sugar, baking powder, and flour in the water.
Next, you have to mix the water with the ingredients until it becomes thick.
Then you have to put the mixture in a pastry bag.
Then you put the edible oil.
After the oil, with the pastry bag, you have to push it and then cut it with the corner of the pan.
When they turn into a dark color, you have to take it out and put it in the mixture of cinnamon and sugar.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Bye!